This is a quick little video on VCT floor cleaning, polishing, and burnishing, or vinyl flooring in commercial office buildings in the Buffalo, New York market. This includes Buffalo metro area and also all of Erie County. And one of the questions that building owners and managers of offices ask is, how do we remove scratches from a vinyl floor or a VCT floor when there's wax or floor finish over it? And as long as the floor, you're trying to maintain it, this would be a process called burnishing. This is where we polish the floor with a high-speed machine to smooth out all the scratches, leave a uniform look, and a high to medium shine, depending on what your needs are. Some clients don't like the really high shine, and they want more of a medium shine. But that is, everyone has different preferences on that. Now, in the case that the floor is severely scratched, then we would have to completely strip the old finish off and reapply new finish. But in the case of maintaining a floor for the long term, or if the condition of the floor is anywhere from medium to high, average to high, then we can use this process called burnishing and high-speed polish the floor. Our company, my name is Shane Dubell. Our company is Method Clean Solutions, and we provide floor cleaning, polishing, and burnishing services, floor stripping and waxing services in the Buffalo, New York market.